So these side hustle ideas are not just the best side hustle ideas, they're also one of the highest paying side hustle ideas. So guys, you will learn how to make money from home and to make money online. Are you working a 9 to 5 job? Definitely that doesn't stop you from making money. So guys, keep watching this video. So hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be talking about some side hustle that you can do. It doesn't have to take all of your time. It requires either your time, energy or money, but you have to put effort. First one I'm going to be talking about is blogging. Blogging has to do with writing on content and putting them on the blog. The blog is more like a website or part of a website that contains more or regularly updated content about one or multiple topics. So the thing about blogging is that you can choose to write your content yourself. That's your time. It takes your time. You can choose to write your content yourself, or you can choose to pay someone to write the content for you. That's your money, taking your money. But the thing about blogging is, after putting those content outside, even when you are not doing anything, those things will be fetching money for you. That's the thing about side also. When you put out your resources, your time, your energy, your money outside, twice making that impossible. Even while you are asleep, your money can be it will be generating money for you. Even when you choose not to do nothing, for weeks when you choose not to write, it will be generating money for you. So guys, this is 2022, this is not 2019. You really have to put something out there. Is gone were the days or gone were the era whereby you just face one stream of income, but now you need multiple sources of income. But two is creating a course. You can choose to create a course. If you are a very intellectual person, you can choose to create a course, write about a topic or subject matter that you understand very well, that you are very good at. Then there are some persons that already create this should I say website or this environment for you to sell your course, and they collect 70% whenever someone posts it, of course. So if you have a course, you have this knowledge, then you can sell your knowledge in exchange for money. Yes, that is how it works. So what you do is you put your course out there, write in any area that you have a good understanding, you put it out there, and people pay for such knowledge. That's one of those sites also. This thing, you have to just do it once and place it out there. People that seek that knowledge, people that are interested in that field, in that area, we definitely purchase those courses. But Siri, YouTube is the largest search engine. No, not largest. It's the second largest search engine in the world. It's a free video sharing website that makes it easy to watch online video. Can't you see YouTube is so amazing? YouTube was created in the year 2005, and currently YouTube is one of the most popular sites in the world. Basically, I think almost everything is on YouTube. Almost everything you can ever think of is on YouTube. So YouTube is such an amazing platform, and the good thing about YouTube is that people make money from YouTube. There are big YouTubers that make money from YouTube. You do your video, you post it. Even when you don't post for a week, your video is continuously generating money for you. Then start uploading your video. Basically, I think anything is uploaded on YouTube, because I've been seeing a lot of videos it's like anything can be uploaded on YouTube, as long as you don't you are not breaching their rules, you are not breaking any of their rules. Anything can be uploaded on the YouTube. So presently, to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once you meet those requirements, then you are good to go. You create an access account, then you can get monetized. Then after monetizing, there's subsequent video is being monetized, and you start receiving money for it. Even when you don't post video for weeks, then your previous video will continuously be bringing money for you. Like, you keep earning on previous video and people keep watching it. So they are big YouTubers, and they are making it big from YouTube. So it takes time to get monetized. It doesn't take time for some people. For some people, they got monetized more than a year. Some people, it took them less than a year to get monetized. So it depends. So YouTube is another option, a very good option actually. Number 4 is the KDP. KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. KDP has to do with self-publishing on Amazon. KDP is one of the tools authors can use to publish their works online. It's very easy to use and straightforward. You can either decide to write or to pay a writer to write for you if you think you can't do the writing, or you are not available to do the writing. So instead, take your time, like I said before, or take your resources. So actually, what you do in KDP is that you write a book, you use the Amazon, you post it on Amazon, and interested person that are interested will buy the book from Amazon. You know, when it comes to buy, Amazon is a very large platform for that. So there are a lot of people that write books and sell on Amazon, and they are making good money for it. Trust me, KDP is amazing and it's very easy to use. You don't need to be a pro to use a KDP. Number 5 is freelancing. I might emphasize more on freelancing. What is freelancing? Freelancing is more like, instead of working for a specific company, instead of working for a specific organization, you can decide to work for multiple people or multiple projects. You choose your time, you choose your place of work, and everything that has to do with it. You work at the comfort of your home, or you can look for an office space, and you choose your time. You work according to your should I say, your comfortability. You choose your own space and everything. That's what freelancing is all about. And trust me, those that take, most of them are into freelancing job. And freelancing job is becoming the order of the day. No matter the location, you can work from anywhere, basically anywhere. You can be in Nigeria and be working for some organization in America. You can be in Nigeria and be working for someone that lives in China. Guys, to break it down, these are the benefits of freelancing. Flexible work schedule. That's excellent. Work from home and a better work-life balance. You don't need to do the 9 to 5. You can work at your own comfortability. You choose the day, you choose the time, you choose the location, you make the decision. What the clients care about is you meeting the deadline for the job. The client give you a specific date and want my done to be done by this time. And what's important is like you meet the deadline. You don't exceed that date, but you choose when to work and do everything. Guys, see that so beautiful. Yes, it sounds so beautiful and interesting. As a freelancer, you have to choose a niche, an area of concentration. Are you into post writing, Amazon books writing, blog writing, or whatsoever? What can you do? What can you offer to the market? Then when you search what you can offer to the market, then you make yourself available. You study the market. There is an online website for that. We have the Fiverr. Yeah, I know of Fiverr, where you go to Fiverr to seek for a job. You seek for a job that are available, and you show your interest. You guys negotiate price, come to an agreement, and you get to do the job, and you deliver. Then you are being paid. So that is it. So freelancing is a very, very interesting way of making money. Freelancing is not just for people with a lot of time in their hands and with little money. No, that's wrong. Freelancing is for everybody. It's for anyone. Anybody can do freelancing. So guys, I've come to the end of my video. And if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like this video. That goes a long way to help this channel. And your comments, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And if you are subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And guys, share this video to people that you think really need this video. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.